And the winner of the most outstanding automotive services is NT Auto Repairs.
Hey, thank you, everyone. Yes, we've done it. Yeah. Wow. Well, thank you to the team, my loyal team that I have. Yeah. And the people that have nominated us. And I thank you very much, and I'm truly humbled to receive this award. And I'd like to thank my team. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be here. Thank you. Thank you again. Bring it on. Yeah.